What if I told you that earning $2,000 a day, all by yourself, is not just a dream but a very achievable reality by 2026? Stick around, because I'm about to break down the exact blueprint to make it happen. The game is changing, and you need to get ahead of the curve. So, what's so special about 2026? Think about it. We are on the brink of a massive shift. AI and automation are no longer just buzzwords for big corporations. They've become powerful tools that level the playing field, allowing one-person operations to compete with, and even outperform, entire teams. These aren't just tools to speed up your work. They are your digital employees, working tirelessly 24/7 without needing a coffee break. This new landscape is where the smart solopreneur thrives, leveraging technology to build a highly profitable, scalable business without the overhead of a large company. Our first strategy is high-ticket AI consulting. Businesses, both big and small, are desperate to integrate AI, but most have no idea where to start. They're struggling with everything from customer service chatbots to complex data analysis and workflow automation. This is where you come in. You become the expert who swoops in and solves their biggest problems. You're not just selling a service, you're selling a transformation. You'll help them set up advanced AI systems that slash their costs, boost their efficiency, and unlock new revenue streams. By positioning yourself as a specialist in a specific niche, like e-commerce AI or legal tech, you can command premium rates, easily hitting $10,000 or more per project. The key is to focus on delivering massive, measurable value. When you can show a business how your AI solution will save them $100,000 a year, charging them $20,000 for the setup becomes a no-brainer. Next up, let's talk about creating automated digital product ecosystems. This is where true passive income is born. Imagine building a library of digital assets, like an in-depth online course, specialized software tools, or a collection of high-value templates that sell on autopilot. The beauty of this model is that you create it once, and it generates revenue for you around the clock. Your ecosystem could start with a free lead magnet that draws people in, then an entry-level product, followed by your flagship course, and finally a high-ticket coaching program. Each piece of the puzzle leads customers seamlessly to the next, increasing their lifetime value. You can use AI to handle marketing, sales emails, and even customer support, creating a truly hands-off business that scales infinitely. You're not trading your time for money, you're building an asset that works for you. Our third strategy is all about building a powerful, niche personal brand. In a world saturated with generalists, becoming the go-to expert in a very specific field is your golden ticket. Think smaller, not bigger. Are you an expert in sustainable urban gardening for apartment dwellers? Or maybe you're a master at financial planning for freelance creatives. Whatever your unique expertise is, own it. Build your brand around that deep knowledge. Create content, videos, blog posts, podcasts that showcases your authority and provides immense value to your target audience. When you're the number one name in a small pond, you don't have to compete on price. Clients will seek you out and pay top dollar for your specialized skills and insights. Your personal brand becomes your most valuable asset, attracting opportunities like speaking gigs, brand partnerships, and consulting roles that pay premium rates. So, how do you actually start today to hit that $2,000 a day goal by 2026? Here's your action plan. First, pick one of the 3 strategies we discussed. Don't try to do everything at once. Second, identify your niche. Get hyper-specific. What problem can you solve better than anyone else? Third, start learning and building in public. Document your journey on social media. Share what you're learning about AI, start building your first digital product, or begin creating content around your personal brand. This builds trust and attracts your first followers and potential clients. Fourth, set clear quarterly goals. What do you need to accomplish in the next 90 days? Maybe it's landing your first consulting client or pre-selling your online course. Break down the big goal into small, manageable steps. This isn't an overnight process. It's a marathon of consistent, focused action. The year 2026 is just around the corner, and the opportunities for solopreneurs have never been greater. The path to earning $2,000 a day is not easy, but it is clear. It requires focus, dedication, and a willingness to embrace the new tools at our disposal. The future belongs to those who build it. So, the only question left is, will you be one of them? Start today, stay consistent, and watch your vision become a reality. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more strategies to help you dominate in the new economy. I'll see you in the next one.